Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about today and upcoming due dates. So we know that we have a draft due date, which it says tomorrow. And so the draft due date is online, it's tomorrow. So when you go into Canvas, the link that you all have been working on within Canvas, and I just closed it, getting silly. Going into modules, so you've all been in this link, but we just haven't posted to it at this time. I don't think anybody has. So February 7th, which is tomorrow, I'd like you to post your draft. I'm going to funnel enough information to you today that you'll be able to get as much as you can and then come in here and work on it. And this is, I think I have it set up to where if you come in here and if you haven't posted anything yet, nothing's going to show up. But if you post, then you'll be able to see other outlines. So be sure that you go ahead and get that posted. That gives me an idea, a feel for where you're at in this project. And then it also gives you an idea of where you're at in the project. And then when we come back on Tuesday, we'll be working with that. We're going to be having a draft review. We'll be making some decisions. As far as when you'll be presenting, we have still some time before the presentation, so I want to give you a couple of practice runs in class, at least with pieces of your actual outline in your speeches, so you have a level of comfort doing that. So we're going to start moving in this class, moving with our projects a little bit more. You're going to see this come together within the next couple of class periods, so that, and then you'll be ready. You'll be ready for your presentations by February 18th. And so that's what I'll need you to do tomorrow. You don't have to do it early. I mean, if you want to today, you can do that, but you can do that anytime tomorrow by midnight, and then that'll give me a chance to do my homework over the weekend, and we can also see where you're at, and it helps me prepare for the class.
We have to amend that tomorrow, is
Mm-hmm.
it?
Yeah.
For the outline?
For the draft.
Yeah. Okay.
So the draft should have your specific purpose and central idea. They don't have to be perfect, but I want them written. You should have your main points with citations and text citations developed. Again, not perfect, but developed. And then you should have a reference page. And your reference page should be in pretty good shape by now. And if you're struggling with that, this may be an indicator to maybe work with some of those tools, maybe come to me, or go to the Writing Center and just get some help on formatting.
So, just to make sure the outline is due tomorrow and the rough draft of our essay?
So
Or speech?
it's all the same thing.
Okay.
So you're writing your speech, so the outline is your speech. So it's a rough draft of your speech or the rough draft of the outline. So those are both
Okay.
the same thing.
It says not due at 11 a.m., it's due at midnight? Okay.
Yeah, because we don't have class.
Okay.
So it's
Right,
right.
it says 11 a.m. on my
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, it says-
Oh, did I?
Yeah, it says 11 a.m.
Okay, all right, then I need to change that. And you should be able to post it, even if it says that. It's not gonna stop you from posting in there. It'll just say late and you're not late, so I'll go in there and try and change it. If I forget, just message me so that it doesn't show up as late. Okay, so now that we've talked about the draft due date, what we'll do is we'll talk about introductions, conclusions, and transitions. Those are the polishing points of your presentations. Before we do that, I want to just take some time. I'm going to put your names on these, and this also helps me see if I am clear, or if I need to focus on certain things, or if we need to meet one-on-one. after you're done with your survey, or your feedback to me, since we have some new groups, go ahead and share with each other what your topic is.
In different, yeah, in different, just in different countries, like capitalism, whatever. I was just gonna do examples from different places, I think. I mean, like 3 points are just gonna be like, how do you do it? Environment.